This guy was about to scrap his BMW from all the white smoke he blew out the exhaust.
I'm blowing white smoke like this car is ready to be taken to the dump.
And here's how we helped him with one bottle of Motor Purr tune-up in 12 minutes.
I have a 2006 650i convertible.
This is actually part 2 of our recent BMW valve stem seal leak video.
So I called Ben up, it was blowing white smoke. From talking to everybody on Bimmerfest, a valve seal cover problem.
And actually, I think it's a valve stem seal leak.
Today was the day that I actually put it in the vehicle. 12 minutes idling, I have no white smoke coming out the back end. BMW 650i, got no smoke blowing out the back end.
You know, a lot of older cars suffer from valve stem seal leaks. Before overhead cams, valves had stems operated from below with rubber seals that shrink and leak oil into the combustion chamber, where it burns and makes white smoke, and it fouls plugs and it messes with the compression. The tune-up expands those seals back to their original form and softness. A simple solution for a problem that most drivers don't understand very well. Even Chris called it a little bit wrong. Motorpurr.com, we do the hard work.